Last time you told me how much countries you like, and it was almost all the countries. Now tell me what lands do you like? Oh shit, not again.
New York, banana, traveling to places, the airport, the beach, the swimming pool, VIP areas. I don't have enough money for that, but houses, this place is where my favorite comes to. Ooh, the Portland area, actually I don't like it. The mango dishes, mango dishes, this lands, into USA, this California. Yeah, there's some islands, travel into space in another world, having a chance to talk to random stuff in the whole TV. And heaven, it was so interesting to me being like China, but I still like him. But I don't know, there's more likely that my most favorite is New York.